For the unboxing, I'm gonna unbox a loot crate today. Got it today in the mail, so this should be fun to do. First off, box isn't that big. I thought it would be bigger. It's kinda cool. Little box. Now, I'm gonna adjust the camera for you guys, so you can see what I'm doing. Now, let's open it down here. There's a little saying on the back on the side. Attention looters, this crate is designed differently than any other crate before. Please read the first page of the magazine to see how. So, now, opening. Cool looking box on the inside. Now the first thing I see is a mini helmet replica from Mega Man. Looks cool. Open the box for a second. I see you got 4 different ones. I only got one, so hope they'll send one of the others someday. And I got the red one. A few things for to stall it out, I think. Yeah, to stall it out. Cool looking little helmet. Completely sealed in plastic, so I'll let it rest there. Now, close the box, put it aside. Next thing we got is a Halo Mega Bloks metallic series figurine. Looks like 10 pieces of kinda Lego looking something. So that's this one. On the picture you'll see there. It's gonna look like something like that, so that's kinda cool too. I see a pin. I think that this kinda in the Mega Man trend, Halo trend. Little pin for on your shirt. Looks awesome as well. Good to stall it out someday. And we got a t-shirt, I think. A t-shirt about... It isn't something I know. So maybe you can tell me what it is in the comments later on. Tell me on twitch.tv/silveracer. Cool looking t-shirt. Now know what it is. It's Pirates vs Ninjas. Which side are you? There's a card already in here. There's a Street Fighter's headband. Cool too. Would love to see more of that later. Got an Assassin's Creed little kind of bag. There's a coin in it. Cool looking coin. And a little wallet. About Assassin's Creed Unity. All kinds of cool collectibles. Another card. 50% off of some game. A full game download for the arcade version of the Street Fighter. And a loot crate. The loot crate box. Book. If people with pictures about them. The Assassin's Creed story, past crates, Halo Battle Evolved, story about that. More kind of cool things. Headsets, chairs you can buy. And we got figurines at the back. You can use them, pop them out, and probably build it. Yeah, you can build it into your box, so you have something cool to look at. You can build this box to something like that, what I just showed you. So that's the Lootcrate. I'll put it back in. And I'll stall it out later in the cabinet somewhere here. Gonna wear the t-shirt soon on the stream, just for good sakes. Get it all back in here. This is a really big box and it isn't really a lot in it. What the hell? It's kind of cool. There was more in it than I thought would be. Oh, that was the unboxing. Now I'll go on with the stream and playing WoW. Thanks for watching. Let me adjust the camera again. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Follow me at twitch.tv/silverracer.